Okay, here we are at Fin and Feather Camping, Fishing and Hunting, the site of the famous duck hunter Mike DeMeo. See you later, Mike. Thanks again. So we passed quite a few places there. We had the Big Slough Recreation Area. We had Riverview Campground, Fin and Feather Campground. We're almost to, oh, don't show Crystal, garage sale, and that's a big garage now. Morning. That's one big garage. We should almost be to the Spring Lake overlook. And then next thing is pretty much Savannah. Oh no, don't look. That was a turtle disaster. I don't know why people would run over a turtle. There's a bird. Oh, bike route. Gotta turn right. Bike route. Bike path. All dogs must be leashed. And this is the parking area for the bike path. And this is right at Spring Lake. Right at the Spring Lake overlook. There's the building up here. I forget what they call it. There's a nice campground up here to camp at too. Visitor info is left. I guess I'll go to visitor info. And they got another bike fix-it station here. I just had to take a picture, sorry for the interruption. Ingersoll Wetlands Learning Center. There's the bike repair station. Oop, and there's me driving off a curb. There's Crystal reading about the facility. Did you learn anything good?
They got mosquito hawks.
Mosquito hawk? Okay, I gotta get back on the trail. Home of the blue goose. What's a blue goose? Okay, what does this say? No, I want to see where the left goes. Ah, it goes back to the path. Stop sign says stop. Okay, we stopped and then we goed. This is the bike path. A lot of this going on, depending on which section you're in. Haven't been up this way in a while. See how many miles I got in so far. Okay, we're at 11, almost 12. Barricade ahead. We gotta cross the road. Look both ways and stop for the stop sign. Cross traffic does not stop. The airport's right on the right side of the road here. I always said I should build myself a hangar down here. Cost $1 a year to have it here. Sanctuary to the left. It's all sanctuary. No entry. Signs everywhere. No entry, no entry, no entry. Kind of a cool little bridge here. Looks like it goes to the left, but it don't. No entry. Special regulations. Oh, here's that other campground. It's a pretty good one. I went up here and checked it out. I'm always checking out campgrounds. It's hard to beat the $10 and $20 price tags around here, though. That's Spring Lake off to our left. Wow, the path goes right through his campground. I forgot about that. That's kind of cool. Yep. Looks kind of full. I don't see any dailies. I don't know if they got any dailies here or not. Which way does the path go is what I want to know. Must keep going straight ahead. Oh, I guess he's got more sights than I thought he did. Still, you can tell they're permanent when the grass is growing up underneath the campers. There's an old Shasta or something. Boat storage. Government property. Yeah, Poopy's ain't too far from here. Famous biker bar. Guarantee is less than a mile. It's on the other side of the highway though. And look at all the little cactuses. Remember when I got you some? Oh, that was an offshoot. Oh boy, big hill coming. Still sanctuary on the left. Then we got a gate going on here, so it's up with the gate. It's up with the gate. I guess it's just a gate. Bike route left. Huh.
throw back?
Yeah. Yep.
You better not run me out of juice.
Why, what are you at?
I don't know.
Why, it don't say?
It doesn't tell you what you had. It just keeps going back and forth from you had